Hey everybody, Dr. Kevin Rowan here. I wanted to talk to you real quick about a little special we've got going on. We're always trying to help people, motivate people to get them to come take care of their dental health. And right now we've got a $99 new patient special going on. Let me tell you what you get for $99. You get a cleaning, an exam, a full mouth, a series of x-rays, all the things you need to help us diagnose any problems that you may have, okay? We would love for you to come see us and let's take a look and just get to know you. Maybe you've never seen us. Maybe you've driven by our new building. It's pretty awesome and it's a really cool place to come to get your dental work done. The atmosphere is totally different than any place you've ever been, I can assure you of that. You won't hear a bunch of phones ringing, really a quiet environment. Actually, while I'm making this video, there's a bunch of stuff going on around us. You can't even hardly tell it, can you? So come see us, let us take care of you. Let us dote on you and make you feel special. We appreciate you and we hope you have a great day.